Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your drawing on top of your printing plate. Let's get started. You're going to need your pencil, a craft stick, your drawing, and your printing plate. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil, you're going to outline your drawing. And then fill it in with pencil. Okay, once you're done outlining and filling it in your drawing with pencil, you're gonna get your printing plate and your craft stick. You're gonna lay your printing plate on top of your drawing, the gray side facing the drawing. Make sure you line it up as best as you can. You're gonna grab it like a sandwich, flip it over. Now you're gonna hold your drawing onto the printing plate while you are rubbing it with your craft stick. This will allow the pencil to transfer onto your printing plate. Make sure not to move your paper while you are rubbing your craft stick, because then your drawing will not come out accurately. Once you're done using the craft stick, go ahead and carefully remove your paper. Now, the majority of your drawing should have transferred onto your printing plate, with the letters going backwards and in reverse. Okay, if you need to make any corrections on your printing plate, you can go ahead and use your pencil directly on top of your printing plate. Once you are done, we're ready to work on our printing plate. Great job. Today I'm going to show you how to carve your printing plate. Let's get started. You need your sketch, your printing plate, your non-slip liner, and your lino cutter. Put the liner down first and then put your printing plate on top, so that way it doesn't move. Have your sketch nearby so that way you can reference it. Inside of the lino cutter there are blades, so please be very careful. You want to find the blade that has the number 2 on it. Put the rest back inside. You want to unscrew the top part of the lino cutter. You want to insert the opposite end of your cutter into the top of the lino cutter. Once you have it inserted all the way, go ahead and screw it down. When using the lino cutter, you always want to make sure you dig inside the plate and carve out. You also want to make sure that your hand is nowhere in front of your lino cutter. That way we can prevent injury. When using the lino cutter, you want to carve out all the gray spots. My recommendation first is to outline everything and then carve out all the gray area. When you see the white layer after you carved, That's when you know you've cut in deep enough. Once you're done outlining your entire printing plate, you can go ahead and remove all the excess gray from your block. If there are larger gray areas, you can switch your blade to a number 3 to remove those areas. Once you're done, go ahead and clean up all the shavings. Put away your blade. And great job! Today I'm going to show you how to make your print from your printing block. Let's get started. You're going to need your carved printing block, your registration jig, a baren, and your brayers with ink. The first thing we need to do is we need to charge up our brayers with ink. If you are printing with 2 colors, make sure you separate your block. Go ahead and get your brayer and start to ink up your block. Make sure to go up and down and side to side as you're inking. Go ahead and get your cardboard jig to put your block inside of it. Once your block is inside of your cardboard jig, you're going to go ahead and get your paper, and you are going to place your paper on the top part of the cardboard jig and then let it fall down onto your printing block. Give it a little tap. You're going to get your brayer and you are going to massage your paper so that way that the ink transfers onto your paper. Once you're done using the brayer, go ahead and put that away. Carefully peel your paper. There you have it, a print. Great job.